Hey everybody, it's Gilly here with Icey-Tek USA. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about our Southco latches and our neoprene gaskets. When you're the original performance cooler company, quality in parts is something that can't be overlooked. That's why here at Icey-Tek, we trust Southco latches. Southco latches are hard rubber, UV resistant latches that are made to last as long as the cooler. When securing the latch, there is a notch at the bottom to help keep latches from randomly popping open while you're going down the road or going across the water. Now, these latches, as you see, you pull down and out. It makes for a very durable, very secure fit. What helps that fit is our use of a neoprene gasket between our lid and our box. When our coolers are made, we purposely leave the slightest gap between the lid and the box. Now there are two reasons for that. The first reason being, if you're opening and closing your cooler on a hot day, the heat gets trapped inside. If your box perfectly seals, the heat has nowhere to go, which causes your ice to melt faster, the contents of your cooler to warm up faster, and an overall disappointing experience. The second reason is for those of you who use dry ice. If dry ice gets put into a container that seals completely closed, the gases have nowhere to go. And with that, it can be a very messy situation. So you have to have somewhere for those gases to go. Now, we use a neoprene gasket around our entire lid. That, mixed with our embossed lid bottom, makes for a solid closure, but as heat or gases from dry ice get trapped inside, the gasket can compress so the heat or the gases can leave the cooler without damaging anything inside and without creating a dangerous hazard. After that, you pull down and push in, and then your cooler's closed. You've got a secure, safe, high-performing box that can meet all your needs. A lot of people ask, well, what happens if I break or lose this part or that part? Or what happens if I have to replace the whole cooler? And our answer is pretty simple. We're committed to offering you a product that you can have for life. We still remember when people fixed things instead of just throwing them away and starting over. After your initial investment, it's our responsibility to bring you parts and components that keep you using your cooler for as long as possible. Our Southco latches are available online in full sets. They come in pairs on our website at www.iceytek.com. We'll get into some more videos about other replacement parts and how we try to make things easier for you. So that's going to be all for today, but make sure you check out our other how-to videos and some other cool content on our channel that we think you'll like. Also make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get notified when we post new videos. That's all for now. We'll see you on the next one.
Icey-Tek, for those who get it.